Alright, so we're going through a little bit of a blizzard right here. I just put my dogs out, they're coming out. One of them wouldn't come out because the wind is like whipping. Look at this one. She loves the snow. But see, you're supposed to get 2 feet. Maybe in this area they're saying 30 inches, I don't know yet, but yeah, it's a lot of snow right now. I don't think it's a sticky snow. I'm hoping it's not. No, it's kind of powdery, which is good. It'd be easy for the snowblower, but my wife's going to come out in a little bit. She's going to leave the chickens and the geese and everything in and just feed them in their coops, but I'm going to have to come out in a few hours because, you know, being a nurse, she has to go to work today, which kind of sucks. It was hopefully nice if she had the weekend off, but this is her weekend on. So she has got to go to work. So we've got, I'm going to say probably 7 or 8 inches right now. Yeah, the wind is really whipping out here right now, but kind of, you can't even see down the edge of the road down there. That's how bad it is right now. So it's only about 11 o'clock in the morning. So we've got about another 8 hours of this. They say it's going to end at about 7 tonight. So I'm going to have to come out. She has to be to work at 3, so I'm going to have to come out about 1 with the snowblower. Luckily, we have not lost power, which is amazing to me, because in this area, we lose power when there's a cloud in the sky. But there is 100,000 people in Massachusetts right now without power. The lights have flickered on and off a couple of times. But you can see, look at the wind whipping off the roof over there. I was trying to do a time lapse. I had it set up in my kitchen, but the snow is just clinging right to the windows, and you can't even see out of any of the windows. So here she is. She's all covered with snow. She'll stay out here. She loves the cold for some reason. I don't know why, but want some more snow? He doesn't like it so much, but she loves it. Can't even see the pond over there. Probably have to wipe the lens off on this thing. I don't know if it's got, maybe it's got stuff on it. Yeah, there we go. But I'll come back out and I'll give updates every couple hours on the snowstorm. This is the first big snowstorm we've had this year. I'm hoping it's the last. So it is Saturday. I think it's the 29th of January. Next week, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, it's going to be in the 40s and all as high as 50. So a lot of this is just going to be gone by next weekend, which is good. So, all right, so that's going to be it for this clip. I'm going to string all these clips together, and I'll come out in a few hours, and we'll do an update on it. All right, so you can see how deep the snow is. I got to get the snowblower out, and we're going to see if we can do something with this. So we'll leave that right there, let that record for a little while.
Charlotte.
Well, that's enough for her to get out. Quiet. I'll do the rest of the driveway tomorrow when it snows a little bit harder. Okay, so it's the day after the storm. We got just about 2 feet of snow, I think. My dogs won't shut up over there. So, got the driveway done. In fact, in front of the trail is the driveway too, but I'm not going to bother with that. I was looking at buying another storage locker, but I guess I'll have to clean all that out if I want to do that. But like I said, in another 4 or 5 days, it's going to be almost 40 out for a couple days. So, but you can see the amount of snow, you know, that we got. I did come out here and took the snowblower and made some paths for her so she can get to her geese over here and a turkey. Our deck is just like packed with snow, if you can see that over there, but we got to get that cleared out because we have somebody coming to replace this window and that window over there and a new kitchen door on Thursday. So it's part of our kitchen renovation. So you can see I made some things over here for her so she can get at, so she doesn't have to trudge through. As you can see how, you know, if you can see how deep that snow is, it's a good 1.5 feet out here. Some places we got 2 feet. I know there was probably about a 3-foot drift in the driveway, but she didn't let any of the chickens out. I think she only let this coop out over here. I thought she said anyway. Well, maybe not. I don't see anything out. Oh, there he is. He's in the thing there. And then there's a coop back there. She didn't let anything out today. She's going to keep him in there one more day, she says. But she made me some chicken noodle soup yesterday after I got done with that, so I'll be having that for dinner tonight. She made some eggplant parmesan before she went to work today. So we got plenty of stuff to eat. Amazing that we didn't lose power. I'm just amazed that we didn't lose it, because we've lost it for a lot less storms. So you can see out here, I think the turkey went back inside. He doesn't particularly like snow, but you see the geese. But this is the tree that we're going to have all cut out. You see it fell down all along here. There he is. But there's these guys here. All right, let's head back in. I think we're done for today. But you can see it's kind of nice, kind of pretty out here. Snowfall, and I'm gonna have to clear a path over by the generator out to the street, so when they deliver oil, they have a path to deliver oil. But you can see our deck. I don't know if you can see it, but the snow is like, there's at least a 4-foot drift on the middle of our deck, so I have to let that, I got to shovel that out because they're gonna replace that window. All right, so that's gonna wrap it up for this video. There's Charlotte. She loves being outside in this weather, don't you, Charlotte? That's going to wrap it up for this video. I'm trying to get stuff early. I think the last video I posted was like 25 days ago. I'm trying to get stuff that's, you know, more often. I just don't really have a whole lot of time to do some of that stuff. Maybe now that we got snow, I can't do anything outside. Maybe I'll be able to post some more different things. So don't forget to subscribe. Give me some likes, give me some comments. Did you guys get caught in this big nor'easter up in that hit the Northeast the other day? Let me know how you fared out in there, how much snow you got. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.